Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. We will hear more about them later.
I want you to be careful because they get excited sometimes, especially with alfalfa, because remember, the alfalfa is like candy for them. If they get too close to you, you got to be real, like shoo them up. Say, boom, boom, ponies. This is how you learn to make space for yourself, yeah? And so horses do that by touching, so it's okay to just push them away.
Oh. I'm at Michelle's house in Sisters, Oregon. We drove here. It's like 5.5 hour drive and it is absolutely beautiful here. I'm just so happy for her and her new property with her mini horses. Do you guys know Michelle? She's been a friend for like 10 years and she is my yoga teacher. She is the one I do yoga with all the time. I know I have talked about yoga so many times. I got into this amazing rhythm to do yoga every single day, and the only way I was able to do that is through her incredible site. It's called Banana Blondie Yoga, and there are so many yoga sessions on there and all different lengths, all different levels, and I don't think I'll ever do another kind of yoga. It's just my favorite. I love that I can just log on and I know I'm getting a really amazing workout. She's so great. She's so good with my kids. So Michelle has these adorable mini horses that she rescued, and she now takes care of them, and she has a beautiful barn here in Oregon, and it is just absolutely stunning here. Here's Dreidel. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Go get Cosmo. Michelle is the best auntie, welcoming auntie to my kids. She has all these boxes because she just moved and she made a train for Cosmo. And he loves it. Can you stand it? It's so cute, right? We had the absolute best time in Oregon visiting Michelle on her new property. Her mini horses are so beautiful and we all loved saying hi to them every day. One blue eye and one red. What? Okay, Whiskey, Scout, Bandit, Coyote. Those are some cowboy names. A big highlight was every day my 3-year-old got to help out with the horse chores. Michelle was so good at including him and slowing down so he could do as much of it as possible. Children learn so much when we empower them like this, and Michelle really bonded with Cosmo, which just makes my heart overflow, seeing someone just get my kid and connect with them. Michelle is a unique individual and I just love her so much. The town of Sisters is cute as a button. We went to an adorable bakery that had tons of vegan goodies to choose from. Cosmo and I shared the giant cinnamon roll and got a chai and apple cider. And we also visited an antique shop, something Cosmo and I love to do together. The baby did not last long, truth be told, in the back area, but it was really fun to pop in there. We visited the town's favorite coffee shop, Sisters Coffee, and it was so cozy inside.
You did it. You did it.
We went on a perfect little hike with some gorgeous lookouts, and I am so proud of my 3-year-old because he hiked the entire thing without complaint. We're really working on hiking stamina, and he did amazing on this trip. Then we prepped some cookie dough, and I'll definitely link the recipe below because it's a good one. Michelle's been making it for years. And then we went to a food truck spot and ate at a vegan food truck, Root Bound. And holy cow, guys, it was absolutely delicious. And I love that they had baked tofu for the kids because that's one of their go-to foods. So it was about 10 degrees colder here than back home in Boise, so we wanted to embrace the season and bundle up with a fire and tea and cookies. And Michelle, new to fireplaces, had to learn and master her fire building skills. She's lighting the fire! You, look at you!
Listen, we'll see. We'll see. Like, I'm afraid like my hair is gonna catch on fire.
Oh no. We gotta document your first real fire.
People are gonna be like, you're doing it wrong.
Well, those
I'm from Hawaii.
Yeah.
I grew up in perfect weather. Okay? I don't know about fires. So like, I guess I close it now. And break this. We made some cookies. We're doing, what is it called, Hannah?
Hygge. We're doing coziness.
We're doing cozy stuff.
Our final day in Sisters was on a whole other level of adventure and beauty. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, we just Googled kid-friendly hot springs and found this gorgeous one, and I was tripping out on the drive. I was tripping out at the parking lot. I was flipping when we started down the little path, and then we found the pool, and it was hands down the most beautiful hot spring I've ever been to. We had the pool all to ourselves the whole time. The cave made it extra special. The cave was covered in moss, and there were ferns and so many green plants and giant maple leaves falling next to a roaring river. It was amazing. And my kids love hot springs because it's basically like taking a bath in beautiful scenery. And I love it because I love to be outside seeing my children connect with nature. And then on the drive home, we stopped by an epic waterfall. The beauty in this place is like next level bonkers. I could not keep my chill at all. And yeah, it was the most perfect trip. Michelle, I love you. Thank you so much for hosting us so soon after you moved. You're an amazing auntie to my children and a wonderful friend. This video is brought to you by Squarespace, my favorite website building platform that takes you from A to Z in the website building process without ever hiring a designer. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content, manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights all on one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system, use their powerful blogging tools, and manage inventory. Squarespace is my preferred platform because it's incredibly easy to use, fully integrated, and the result is a beautiful website that you can call your own. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
What the heck?